I see you on the street and you're using profanity, just being very loud, people are going to judge, right?
Right.
So as long as you don't mind that people have those judgments, again, you're more than welcome to behave and act in whatever manner you choose to.
Yes.
It's not my job as a property manager to tell you what you can and you can't do in public. But I just, again, wanted to bring it to your attention that there are
Okay.
comments being made about certain people just not feeling comfortable with those verbiage.
Okay.
So that's all that I wanted to do is
Okay.
just bring it to your attention.
All right. So I swear I have stuck to this as much as possible policy. Don't swear on property, the apartment property, but I really would like the freedom to do so if I'm off your property. My car is parked close, but
yeah, and by all means, that's totally okay. Like I said, as long as you don't mind that, there are going to be people who's going to be judging you. That's totally okay, and as long as it's on the property, that's fine.
Okay.
But I would hope that, and I'm just saying this as a person that probably care for you as another person, that as we grow and we mature, I'm now in my 40s and I have young teenagers, or not young teenagers, I actually have adult teenagers now, and I would hope that they don't do that in public, and it's not so much, it's not so much about that reputation, but I think it's self-respect too. However, if that's your way of coping with things, you do what you need to do. I'm not here to judge you. I just wanted, again, to just let you know that there are comments being made.
Okay.
And I just wanted to bring it to your attention, okay?
I appreciate it, and thank you for telling me. And I will, yes, and I take your advice to heart. I didn't grow up expecting I would have to deal with harassment, like from strangers. I never thought that was possible. So.
It's also perception. I will tell you that as a colorblind myself and having to deal with prejudice, racism, I had bitter feelings growing up, but sometimes you just gotta hold your head up high, and how you perceive the world is your reality. So just remember that, okay?
Okay.
All right?
All right.
But I'm here, and if you ever need anything, even if you just need someone to talk to, I'm here, okay? So
okay.
Feel free to reach out anytime.
All right, thank you for being pretty cool about everything.
Yeah, of course. All right, John. Well, you have a wonderful weekend.
Yep.
And we'll touch base at some point, okay?
Okay.
All right. Take care.